Yes, I've seen your comments and the results of the latest poll was very clear. So you guys really want to see me customize a guitar? Well, today is the day I finally gonna customize a guitar. Enjoy the video. So without further ado, let's start this project by spray painting the body of the guitar. Oh yeah, I love the feeling of a fresh can of spray paint. I'm such an idiot. I totally forgot sanding the guitar. Let's start this project over. So I grabbed myself some sandpaper with a fine grit and started smoothing the wooden surface. I hate sanding. The sound is so... layers later. It's done. Luckily the finished layer of paint is smooth and even now. Next step is to grab a pencil and start working on a design. Alright, so here's the deal with the design. So here you have this eagle type of bird and then his wings will spread over this entire part, but it will turn into these doodle shapes. So that's what I'm gonna do now. So let's fire up my black Posca pen. Bruh. Hell yeah, we are ready to ink now. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button if you want to see more videos just like this. Everything on this side is working out pretty well. I'm gonna start doodling on this side now. Let's do this. The body of the guitar is filling up very quick now with doodles, so we can almost start working on the eagle again and improving it with details and shading. Little update here, I'm pretty happy about it, but it's time to add in some serious textures because right now it looks a little bit flat. I'm making pretty good progress here, the first string is already done. So it is quite late now. I'm gonna get some good night's sleep and tomorrow I will finish off the body of the guitar. Let's do that. And so I'm back at it again, ready to finish this project. And of course I also wanted a matching headstock for the guitar. As far as the design goes, everything is pretty much done, so it's time for a protection layer. Since the design is done, it all comes down to assembling the guitar now.
Wait a minute!
But first...
Oh, that's hot, that's hot.
So that was the entire process of me customizing a guitar. In a few seconds I'm going to show you a proper reveal, of course. Just leave me in the comments your thoughts on it, and then we'll see each other in a couple of days in a new video. Take care.